So you know you're supposed to eat healthy, but don't actually know exactly what that means. Keep watching for a guide on how to eat a healthy diet geared towards men. Stay tuned until the end, where we'll also give some tips on how to stay motivated to eat a healthy diet. Welcome to the Health How To channel, where we talk about some great life hacks and easy tips to achieve better health. Please subscribe and share your best diet tips so that we can all benefit in our own personal journey to better health. Do you remember that as a young boy and into your teenage years, you were able to get away with eating everything and anything? An entire pizza, bags of chips, gallons of soda, and late night Mickey D drive-thrus. Well, you may be finding that as you're getting wiser and more experienced, that your waistline is also getting bigger, and maybe you're not quite as energetic as you used to be. Many boys stop growing at about 16 to 17 years old, and some boys might grow a few more inches after that. Muscle growth continues to develop into the early 20s, and the more muscle you have, the higher your metabolism tends to be. Once men hit their 30s, things start to plateau. You've hit your peak muscle and bone mass. Maybe you have kids, and somehow you've gotten the classic dad body too. Junk food now gives you indigestion or a food coma, but somehow you just can't stop craving those cheesies and sports night beers. You notice small things like your belt doesn't have any more holes left, or you can see your belly button pressed up against your favorite t-shirt. You decide to hop on the scale and see a number you've never seen before, but you hide the scale away and convince yourself that it must be lying to you. Fast forward a few more years, and your doctor's telling you that your cholesterol levels have gotten more concerning and you're borderline diabetic. Well, now what? If this scenario seems too familiar, or you're trying to be proactive with your health, you know that what you eat or don't eat directly affects your overall. With so many fad diets out there, it's tough to know what to eat. Gorge on high fat until you're in ketosis. Eat all the meat, but don't even think about potatoes. Or stop eating all animal byproducts altogether. Should you try to turn back time and eat like you're a caveman? Or maybe pretend you're living on an isolated island in Italy in the middle of the Mediterranean Sea? Let's think about the purpose of food. We need to eat to get 6 essential nutrients that are important for energy, growth, repair, and just maintaining a functioning body. The 6 nutrients are carbohydrates, protein, fat, vitamins, minerals, and water. Registered dietitians tend to agree that a healthy diet uses the balanced plate model. That means if you were to divide your plate, 1/4 should be dedicated to some form of protein, 1/4 of the plate is filled with complex carbohydrates, and the remaining half should be for vegetables. Let's focus on protein first. Research also shows that consuming sufficient protein, ideally from sources like chicken, fish, and other lean meat, can boost your metabolism. Protein can regulate blood sugar levels and increase feelings of fullness, which can prevent overeating and promote weight loss. Protein also plays a vital role in building muscles, promoting recovery after exercise, supporting immune function, and maintaining healthy skin, hair, and nails. In fact, research suggests that men require more protein than women, as they usually have a higher percentage of lean body mass. Perhaps that's why many men are more drawn to meat-heavy diets to support their growth and maintenance of muscle mass. Men who are more physically active require more protein to replenish and repair the muscles after heavy physical labor or sports. According to the Dietary Reference Intake Report for macronutrients, a sedentary male should multiply his weight in pounds by 0.36 to get the number of grams of protein he should consume every day. Click on the protein calculator in the description for a more accurate number that's based on your height, weight, age, and activity level. Some excellent sources of protein that men can include in their diets are eggs, poultry, lean meat, and fish. If you want to focus on more plant-based protein, try tofu, dairy, beans, nuts, and seeds. Each of these sources has a different protein concentration and composition, allowing you to vary other options and meet your daily protein requirements. Make sure to choose a variety of sources to ensure that you're getting all the necessary amino acids your body requires. With the right protein intake, you can fuel your body and reach your fitness goals faster. If you're trying to stick to a food budget these days, watch our video on less expensive sources of protein. Next up, fruits and vegetables. These nutrient-packed foods offer tons of health benefits that can make a significant impact on overall well-being. For example, leafy greens like spinach and kale are high in antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation and lower the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. Adding vitamin C-rich fruits like oranges and bell peppers to your diet can boost your immune system, while berries like blueberries and strawberries offer anti-aging properties due to their abundance of phytochemicals. The fiber found in fruits and vegetables can also aid in digestion. An easy way to make sure you're getting the maximum benefits from fruits and vegetables is to pick a few from each color group. A day's intake of colorful produce could be red cherries, orange sweet potatoes, yellow lemons, dark leafy spinach greens, and purple eggplant. Now let's talk about a good source of complex carbs like whole grains. Men often overlook the importance of including fiber in their diet, but it plays a significant role in maintaining overall health. Adequate fiber intake can reduce the risk of heart disease, stroke, and diabetes, as well as improve digestive health. Men need an average of 38 grams of fiber per day, but most fall short of this target. Incorporating whole grains like quinoa or barley, as well as fruits and vegetables like raspberries or Brussels sprouts, can help increase fiber intake. Fiber also promotes fullness, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Not only does fiber benefit physical health, but it also promotes mental health by reducing the risk of depression and anxiety through the brain-gut axis. Let's not forget about healthy fats. Fats are an essential part of a balanced diet for men. But not all fats are created equal. While saturated and trans fats found in processed foods like pizza, donuts, and chips can increase the risk of heart disease, healthy fats like monosaturated and polyunsaturated fats found in sources like olive oil, avocado, nuts, and fish can actually lower the risk of heart disease and improve overall health. These healthy fats contain essential omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that cannot be produced by the body and must be obtained through diet. They play a crucial role in brain function, hormone production, and cellular health. In fact, research has shown that a diet rich in healthy fats can improve cognitive function and decrease the risk of depression and Alzheimer's disease. Try olive oil in your salad dressing, snack on a handful of nuts, and add avocado to your sandwich. Your body and brain will thank you for it. Recently, there has been a bit of controversy about dairy. Many people believe that dairy products are not essential for a healthy diet, but the truth is that they provide many important nutrients that are especially beneficial for men. Dairy products such as natural unflavored Greek yogurt, cheese, and milk are excellent sources of calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones and teeth. In fact, men need even more calcium than women as they age. Additionally, dairy products are rich in protein, which is vital for building and repairing muscles, as well as promoting weight loss by increasing feelings of fullness. Furthermore, dairy products like yogurt and kefir contain probiotics, which can improve gut health and boost the immune system. Of course, if you have concerns about added hormones or antibiotics in dairy, there are other plant-based sources of calcium like tofu, almonds, and leafy greens. In addition to maintaining overall health, a balanced diet can also contribute to a man's healthy testosterone levels. Testosterone is a hormone that plays a key role in men's health, including muscle mass and bone density. Foods high in protein such as grass-fed beef, chicken, and tuna can help boost testosterone levels. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and cauliflower contain compounds which help reduce estrogen levels, which can indirectly increase testosterone levels. Foods rich in zinc, like oysters, cashews, and pumpkin seeds, are essential for testosterone production. Moreover, healthy fats like those found in avocados and olive oil can help regulate hormone production. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain healthy testosterone levels and improve overall health. So let's say you know all about healthy eating and what a balanced plate means. You know that apart from improving muscle mass and physical health, a balanced diet can also reduce the risk of chronic diseases like diabetes, cancer, and Alzheimer's. But you're still struggling to motivate yourself to eat healthy. Here are some tips to keep you committed. A big part of eating is primal, emotional, and not related to higher level thinking. Decide why eating healthy is even important to you. Do you want to be able to go up the stairs without feeling out of breath? Do you hate that you fall asleep on the couch every night with snacks after a long day at work? Do you want to have enough energy to play with your grandkids? Next, setting a clear, measurable, realistic goal is crucial. Identify what you want to achieve and make sure your diet aligns with your goal. Some people have a goal weight in mind, but other goals could be reducing blood sugar, having enough energy to walk 30 minutes, or reducing their waist to hip circumference. Now track your progress to stay accountable. This can be done through a food diary or a fitness app. Even putting a check mark on the calendar to mark that you've eaten your 3 balanced plate meals for the day works well too. Also, make it enjoyable by experimenting with new recipes, flavors, and foods from other cultures. This will prevent boredom and keep you excited about your meals. You might find that you actually really enjoy eating artichoke. Finally, remember that it's not what you eat one time that determines your health. Don't worry about that big holiday binge fest. It's what you eat day in and day out 80% of the time that will determine your future. So if you want to eat a hot dog that you know is full of unhealthy nitrates, but you followed your healthy eating plan all week, go ahead. But maybe don't eat 3 of them. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any health how-to videos where we talk about easy ways to improve your health. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.